Welcome back to Design Coach. In this video, I'll show you how to create a button-up shirt using our awesome online tool, Repsketch. Repsketch is a free online software for designing, customizing, and transforming product ideas into captivating 3D designs. On the platform, this design process is broken down into 3 simple steps: repurpose, remix, and render. Step 1. Repurpose. To begin, we'll expedite the process by exploring our design library. Using the search bar, let's look for t-shirt sketches. Repsketch has this vast library of vector sketches contributed by community professional designers. This men's full sleeves V-neck shirt design will be great as our starting point. So let's click on this Edit button to sketch and customize it in the next step. Step 2. Remix. Now we have our base ready on the canvas, so let's remix this to align with our design requirements. As you can see, Repsketch offers this super user-friendly online vector editor for seamless customization. First thing first, let's begin by ungrouping our t-shirt design objects. We'll now delete the existing neckline, sleeves, and any extra design objects that we don't need for our shirt. Ungroup this body and double-click to activate nodes so that we can convert this V neckline to a regular one. Click on this center node and activate the node handles. Smoothen the node handles and drag the node upwards to make the neckline flat. Let's now navigate to the Components pane and look for a neckline component inside this neckline category. Repsketch furnishes a repository of readily available design components, great for inspirations and speed up the customization. This shirt collar with placket looks interesting, so let's drag it into our workspace. Adjust and resize this vector to match the t-shirt at the neckline and bottom hem. Now let's reduce the stroke width of the body panel and also delete this bottom hem seam. We'll now move on to adding sleeves. Let's look back into our Components pane library in the sleeves category and see if we can find something. This shirt sleeves component looks good, so let's use it. Adjust and resize this vector to match the shirt at the shoulder. Ungroup and place the other sleeve on this side. We'll now go back to the body and double-click to edit the side seams to match the sleeves. Adjust the node handles and reposition nodes wherever required. Adding a curved shape to the bottom. Let's now draw the bottom hem seam line using the Create or Edit Stroke tool. Reduce the stroke width and convert this line to a dotted one using the Edit Stroke tool. Looks good. Now, drag and select all the design objects and add color using the Fill Color tool. Edit Group the placket and select all the buttons to change color to dark gray. Also, edit group the sleeves and delete the cuff plackets and buttons as it's on the rear view, and we don't need them for the front of a shirt. That's it. To finish off, we'll select and group all our design objects and our button-up formal shirt is ready. To conclude, proceed to the Design Properties section. Provide a name, description, and relevant tags for your sketch. Step 3. Render. Now it's time to transform your sketch into a stunning 3D image. Head to your profile, open the view page of your sketch, and click this magic wand icon to unleash the AI capabilities. Customize or add a new prompt, hit Generate, and witness the magic. Experiment with different prompts to integrate your designs into tech packs or present them in your design meetings. That's how Repsketch swiftly turns your ideas into realistic images. Subscribe for more tutorials and feel free to share your questions or feedback in the comments section.